Hi, this is Jim from the Wax Shop. Today we're going to be showing you how to properly do a paint correction procedure on your vehicle. This is going to be a three-step process, including our Overhaul 1000, which will remove up to 1,000 grit sanding marks, our Rebuild 2000, which will remove up to 2,000 grit sanding marks, and our Tune-Up 3000 will remove up to 3,000 grit paint imperfections and give you a high gloss shine. Or you can use this product if you just want to touch up your vehicle surface before waxing. First, you're going to take our Overhaul 1000. You want to apply 4 dime-sized drops of product onto the pad. Tap the surface out. Start on the lowest setting. Go in a crosshatch pattern. Spreading it out, it's okay, but now move up to speed 4 or 5 or whatever's necessary on your polisher. As you can see, the product finishes out really well, and it's going to be super easy to remove. Now I'm going to grab a clean, fresh microfiber towel, wipe the surface and inspect prior to moving on to our next step. And then you want to apply our Rebuild 2000 medium cut polish. Dab the product out on the surface of the vehicle to prevent any sling. Put your polisher at the lowest speed setting and spread the product out. You always want to start the polisher and stop the polisher on the surface of the vehicle. So now I'm going to set it to about 5. And then I'm going to use the crosshatch pattern. You want to move slowly while keeping the pad flat. And you want to do this about 3 or 4 times. Once the polish gets translucent, you then want to stop. Again, make sure you stop the polisher on the vehicle surface. I'm going to grab a fresh microfiber towel. Now we're going to inspect the surface to see if any additional polishing is necessary. Now we're going to move to the final step in our 3-step process. We're going to be using our Tune-Up 3000 and apply 4 dime-sized drops to the pad. Then you want to dab the pad in the area you're working in. Spread the product out. Put your polisher at the lowest speed setting. Put the pad flat to the vehicle surface. Quickly spread, polish out. I'm going to set this at about 4 or 5. And then go into crosshatch pattern. This is a great product to use right before you wax, or like we're doing in our 3-step process here. Stop the polisher on the vehicle. Grab a fresh microfiber towel. Wipe the surface and inspect. Easy to wipe off, no greasy residue. Now that we've finished up, let's see how it looks. As you can see, removed all the swirls, spider webbing, deep imperfections. Now it's ready for the final step of waxing. Thanks for watching this video. Look for more Wax Shop videos on how to maintain the outside of your vehicle.